Hello and welcome back to today's video on Ask a Heidolph Rep. I am Nate Kunzer, product specialist from Heidolph North America, and today we're talking about why you may want to use a jacketed lab reactor vessel for your chemistry. Today's video will be specifically on the different accessories that you can combine with a reactor vessel. With some hot plate and heating mantle vessels that you're doing your chemistry in, you are limited to the number of necks that flask has from the start. That means that you're kind of limited on the amount of accessories that you can use with it, and you can't expand it as your chemistry changes. With the reactor vessel, you can have a lid with, in this case, 7 different necks for you to attach all the different accessories you may need to complete your chemistry. In our case here, we've got a reflux divider kit, which allows you to swap between refluxing back into your reactor or distilling off into collection vessels. Reactors also have temperature probes, so you can control the temperature of your chemistry inside the vessel. You also can use other chemistry tools such as a peristaltic pump to pump in additions to your vessel. You can use a variety of compression fittings to put it under vacuum. You can use pH probes and sensors to determine different levels of chemistry that you need to hone in on to make sure everything is processing correctly. And lastly, you can get things like addition funnels for both liquid and solid transfer. So that is one of the reasons why you may want to use a reactor vessel as opposed to a round bottom flask in a hot plate or heating mantle. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Ask a Heidolph Rep. Again, I am Nate Kunzer, product specialist from Heidolph North America. And if you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to us at hello@heidolph.com or on social media at HeidolphNA. Thank you.